Hello world. Today let's learn how to use LinkedIn effectively. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional networking platform. It's one of the most influential social media networks, with more than 760 million members in 2021. LinkedIn is built on the simple but effective professional networking premise, making it the perfect place to reach professionals of all ages and backgrounds worldwide. There are about 140 plus industries listed on LinkedIn. You can easily find your target industries to hunt for leads. Almost anyone is using the LinkedIn network. Let it be a student, college graduate, interns, professionals, entrepreneurs, business owners, CEOs, other CXOs, influencers, consultants, senior profiles, and more. On LinkedIn, you can set up your professional profile. Members use LinkedIn to create online resumes, listing their current and previous job roles, skills, and education. They can network with other LinkedIn users who are searchable by the above criteria and more. LinkedIn connections can join several professional LinkedIn groups relevant to their interests or businesses. Recruiters use LinkedIn as an essential tool in their recruiting process. LinkedIn also provides a publishing interface designed to facilitate thought leadership in the business world. You can publish articles. A free LinkedIn account lets you search and connect with a limited amount of connections. LinkedIn has multiple premium subscriptions catering to the needs of every individual or organization. Everyone who has never opted for a premium plan previously is entitled to receive 30 days of trial on any of LinkedIn's programs. A golden opportunity to make use of this trial and explore LinkedIn. When opted for premium plans, you get access to search thousands of profiles and find targeted leads for your business. You can connect with the targeted leads and take a quick call to action. Network with them, book a gathering. Keep posting on your LinkedIn feed, and let your connections know what you're doing today. Make sure you are consistent on LinkedIn. Re-engage with a prospect through follow-up messages. And close deals. There are tons of opportunities for everyone on LinkedIn. So sign up and create your profile or brand today. Keep LinkedIn community a better place to network. Happy networking. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Please share the video and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on LinkedIn.